Joan. Go, boats, go! Anybody feel like they can read on their own?
I am Joe. I am Joe.
Pull each sound down and say it.
I have a background in teaching first and second grade. I've seen some struggling readers come down the line, and it's so frustrating to not see them get it. You know, as teachers, that it has just gotten more and more stuff piled on you that you have to fit into the course of the day, and you know, it just gets overwhelming.
Okay, everybody make sled. 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 Okay, you've got sled. What sound is that?
I have been working with a struggling second grader. He just wasn't getting it, and consequently he wasn't enjoying reading. It just breaks my heart for children not to enjoy reading.
You are strong. You are strong readers.
I was amazed at the results. I was amazed at the difference in just using those few activities just for such a short time, how much of a difference it made in his reading and his fluency.
You got it. Clock.
My name is Louise and I'm a homeschooling mom from South Africa. I just want to say how amazing the Reading Simplified program has been. It truly has changed my life and my son's life. We tried a number of different programs and different methods, but nothing seemed to work and we just weren't having much joy.
Okay, say the sounds as you do it. Say, oh. Okay, your turn.
After going through the Reading Simplified program and watching the wonderful online teachings, it made such a huge difference. And now it's been about 4 weeks and he's actually reading fluently, and he's reading chapter books and he's loving it, and he's getting excited now while he reads. And I'm only sorry that it's taken me this long to discover it.
I wish that I had found this program while I was still in the classroom,